It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 20th of April. I'm Michael Groff. If you're a fan of warm weather, you'll like this video. Otherwise, you know the inevitability of living in Phoenix. It's coming. The heat is on this week. Our first 90-degree day of the year, likely on Wednesday. Perhaps our first 100-degree day of the year coming up during this forecast period as well. All right, we'll give you the details. First, yesterday in the valley, 83 degrees the afternoon high, 59 the morning low. Normals creeping up to 86 and 61. And outside now, here just after 7 a.m., sunny skies out there sitting at 64 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 40, humidity 41%, the winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 46 at Fort McDowell, 49 Goldfield. Just about all of us across the rest of the metro are in the 50s and low, even some mid-60s out there. The upper air look, a zonal flow here across the southwest. We've got a weak little wave that's coming onto the west coast. That'll move through here tonight and tomorrow, ushering in slightly cooler weather and maybe a few showers across the northern part of the state. Over the eastern half of the country, a big trough and a cold front dragging south. And on the watch warning map, we've got a tornado watch across parts of northeast Florida. A severe thunderstorm watch south of that over the central peninsula to include Sarasota, Tampa Bay, Orlando, and Melbourne. Elsewhere, we've got some red flag warnings across parts of South Dakota, northwest Iowa, and Minnesota. Some wind advisories up there as well. And the convective outlook for today, the standard slight risk of severe storms over sections of Florida, a few marginal risk zones over the central plains, including parts of southeast Minnesota and Wisconsin. Precipitation for the next 7 days. No rain expected here in the valley. Some light precip, generally under 1/4 of an inch for the northern portions of our state, with our system passing through tonight and tomorrow, and that's going to be just about it. Very dry weather after that. We'll detail it now as we take a look at the models. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our zonal flow, weak wave moving on to the west coast, headed our direction. So for us down at the surface, sunny skies, a dry air mass today, high temperatures once again in the mid-80s. Beautiful day overall. Tonight, clear skies, maybe a few clouds come in after midnight, but for us in the valley, I think we're going to stay dry. You see those dew points generally in the 30s, and lows tonight will generally be down in the 50s and low 60s. All right, tomorrow, widely scattered showers, an isolated thunderstorm possible over the northern part of the state, but in the valley, mostly sunny skies will continue. It'll be breezy at times, high temperatures mostly in the low 80s. All right, Wednesday, we start to warm it up. The heights coming up, high pressure slowly building in, highs back in the upper 80s and low 90s. This could be our first 90-degree day of the year. If not Wednesday, for sure on Thursday, as we'll sneak into the mid-90s. Mid and upper 90s on Friday with sunny skies, and Saturday as well, mid to upper 90s. And then look out on Sunday. The upper heights continue to rise, high temperatures upper 90s, and would not be surprised if we saw our first 100-degree day of the year. If not here in Phoenix, certainly some of the hottest deserts of southeast California and southwest Arizona will see the triple digits. All right, here we go to a week from today. This is Monday, the 27th. Heights above average, a dry northwesterly flow, so the warm weather continues. The storm track well to the north of Arizona. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Wednesday, the 29th, a 588 ridge here over the southwest. That would be very hot and dry for this time of year. Highs well above the century mark, if that verifies. Obviously, it's 10 days out. We'll see how that develops, but indications of well above average temperatures for the rest of the month. Speaking of, checking out the temperatures off the national blend of models, 80s today and tomorrow, then we go up in the 90s. And you see by the end of the weekend and next week, we're above the century mark and those overnight lows in the 60s and even creeping into the low 70s. Here comes summer. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. Stay cool. And you guys have yourselves a great Monday.